In this video, friends, we'll do comparison between GitHub Copilot agent and Cursor AI. So guys, GitHub Copilot, it is AI open source. You can start coding and you can start for free with Visual Studio. You can edit and you can set up your AI codes. Just you can add context file and you can add prompts. This is guys collab with Shopify, Stripe and features. It is open source, as I said. You have different things you can do, guys. You have it deals codes like insider. You can you have hooks into servers and draw on data from your repositories and external resources working. You human and agent in the loop. You can also become better than one. You have different things, guys. You can get speed or need it depth when you have also, guys, swap between models like OpenAI, GPT-5, and Cloud, and Google Gemini. You can also, guys, make your change and you can edit your suggestions, reveal the ripple effect of your changes across your project. You also can engineer your codes. You can analyze. From here you can, guys, engineers can edit your codes. You have the free Pro and Premium Pro Plus. Cursor, guys, it is also open source. You can codes with AI. You have collab with Stripe, Shopify. You can, guys, to change your productivity, your next edit. All these features, guys, you have some features. You can build software faster, powered by models and powerful autocomplete, and you can get your next level on your editing codes, multi-line edit and smart rewriters. You have all these features, guys. You can try. You have different commands. You have run commands, find context, loop on errors. You have fast edit, reference your codes. You can ask the web and use documentations. You can use image from here. This is a powerful tool software you can starting without any problem.